Alright, I had two more trades. One of them is still open now during the weekend. I don't close the trades during the weekend most of the times. If they are safe enough not to close, I mean. So I have two more trades using the Stairsteps Expert Advisor, Consolidation Zone Trading Expert Advisor, which by the way can be downloaded from our page on RobotFX.ro. Right from here, click on the Stairsteps and the download should pop up. Not now though, because I've already done it. So these are the examples. There was a consolidation zone previously, this one, and the expert advisor placed a buy trade when the price left the consolidation zone right here, and then another consolidation zone right here formed, and the expert advisor opened the second trade when the price left this one at the lower area and down basically. So it was a sell, and this time on this one it's still running. It has 27 pips right now. The other one has 18. Right, so this is it. I thought to show this as well because next week I might use another expert advisor, and these are the settings. Okay. All right. Some of these settings I never change because I don't use them, like the Fibonacci, for example. I don't believe in Fibonacci. The expert advisor has it though. And this is it. And all right. Okay, and this is for now. Thank you for watching. Next week I will probably trade manually. There are some news there and at random times, so I cannot use the news expert advisor. So I'll probably trade manually, and I will use the trailing stop expert advisor to trail the prices depending on what's happening on the chart. And so I'll choose the trailing options between all the options that this expert advisor has to offer. Now, thank you for watching and goodbye.